Hi everyone and welcome back to Tuscany. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in the Val d'Orcia area, close by to Pienza, Montalcino and Montepulciano. We are here to discover together a beautifully restored country house set in a dreamlike location with its own winery, olive grove and truffle ground. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The estate is set in a wonderful position. We are 5 minutes away to the closest town with services. The village of Trequanda is 15 minutes away. And then we are also close by to Pienza, Montepulciano, Montalcino, Cortona and Siena. The closest airports are the ones in Perugia. It is just over an hour away. Next we find Grosseto and the airport of Florence, 1 hour and a half away. The estate covers a total of 10 hectares of land, so 24.7 acres. 4 hectares of which are vineyard and 2 hectares are olive grove. The property boasts an impressive wine production. The vineyards are set 400 meters on the sea level and perfectly exposed to the sun. The soil has a low percentage of clay in it. In fact, the wines come out very elegant and refined. This is quite unusual in the area of Montalcino because wines here are typically very strong and powerful because the soil usually has a high percentage of clay. Also, the way the vineyard has been set up is very impressive. In fact, there are 6,250 plants per hectare, for a total of 25,500, which are more than the usual vineyard. And it's 4 hectares equal to 6 hectares of a traditional vineyard. The whole vineyard is also equipped with an irrigation system. The property is sold with everything included. Also, all of the machinery I will show you and these tractors to work the ground. The property is connected to the mains water and is connected to a geothermal system both for cooling and heating of the water, both for the wine cellars and for the house. The wine cellar is 450 square meters, so about 4,850 square feet. It is built fully underground to achieve perfect control over temperature. The building is made up of winemaking rooms with wooden barrels and stainless steel vats, wood aging room with casks and tonneaux, bottling and labeling room, bottle aging room, packaging and storage room for finished products. The various rooms are organized in the correct order to ensure maximum production efficiency. The building is then completed by a technical room and some bathrooms for the staff. Let's now talk about the country house of the estate. It dates back to the 18th century and has been completely restored and updated. It sits on a wonderful position, enjoying the enchanting Tuscan landscape. From here, we clearly see the village of Castelmuzio, Sant'Anna in Camprena, and Pienza with Monte Amiata. The house is 620 square meters, so 6,671 square feet. It is equipped with underfloor heating and is laid over 3 floors. The ground floor can be accessed through several doors. From the main one, we get to this stunning reception area that has been beautifully furnished with all of these antiques. Here we also notice the terracotta, the wooden beams on the ceiling, and all of these cream colors on the walls. From this room we find a storage space behind this door, whilst through this door we find what currently is an office space, but could easily be turned and converted into a 4th bedroom, since it has its own bathroom in the end and its independent accesses. On the other side we find the TV room of the house. It is nice, cozy and contained. It has these 2 huge wooden beams on the ceilings which are antique, and this beautiful stone fireplace, which is perfect for the winter days. Going down a few steps, in the end, we find one of the most beautiful places in the house. In fact, we have this huge living area with these exposed beams all the way through. It has on this side this sitting space with the fireplace that is perfect for the winter. Lots of natural light thanks to all of these windows. And on this other side of the room, we have a lower level with this large dining table. Right beside, we find the cozy kitchen of the house. It has windows on two sides overlooking the olive grove, and it is right beside the dining space. On my right, there are steps that bring us down to the lower level of the property. The first room we find is a large pantry room or storage space. Over here, there is another large room with these beautiful terracotta ceilings which are arched. And this, for now, is a nice wine cellar. Right beside, there is another large space which is used as a gym. The first floor welcomes us with this impressive reception room. It spans nearly all of the width of the house and has some beautiful proportions. With the high ceilings, also the furnishings are really nice with this stove over here, the wardrobe. From this room we get to all of the bedrooms. In fact, starting on this side, we find two of the bedrooms, with the first one over here, nice and cozy. It has on the left side a little office space, whilst on the right side its own ensuite bathroom. This is the second bedroom of the first floor, nice and spacious. The terracotta is everywhere. It has windows on two sides overlooking the vineyards, whilst on my right there is its own ensuite bathroom. On the other side of the reception area, we get to another wing of the property that has another bedroom. It starts with this hallway with wardrobes. Over here there is a really large bathroom with bathtub and shower. In the end we find the bedroom, nice and large, high ceilings and views on the vineyards on three sides. We've now reached the end of today's property tour. This home really has it all. It is a beautiful property, perfect for someone that is looking for a nice country home that is restored with its own vineyard and olive oil production, set in a fantastic location with total privacy and silence. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and before I leave you, please remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!